Hello students, here is 14th tip to help you score 100 out of 100 in chemistry. Always make your answers clear and presentable. Along with writing the correct answer, presentation matters a lot. Your answer should be so visually appealing to the examiner that he or she need not to put any extra effort to go through your answer script. Moreover, best answers are the ones which assure the examiner, even without reading, that whatever you have written is correct and you deserve full marks. Now, how to make your answers clear and presentable? Most of the points we have already discussed in previous videos. Let us recall all the points. First one is write the answer in a legible writing and to the point. Second, don't decorate the answer sheet. Few students have this habit of attempting questions in a colorful manner by using red, green, and black markers. It is simply waste of time and not going to help in gaining any extra mark. Use only two pens, a blue pen for writing the text and black for headings. Space out each word. Make sure your words are properly spaced out. Don't squeeze 10 words in the same line. Avoid such overlapping words. Your paper should look neat and clean. Draw margin of 1 inch on both sides of the sheet. Write the answers in points. Avoid bunching all sentences together. Leave at least 2 lines before and after each answer to make two different answers look distinct. It will even help you later when you feel to add something to your answer, you will have the necessary space. Underline headings and keywords. In case of mistake, never overwrite. Just make a cross line over the text or word to keep the answer sheet clean. Increase the pictographic content wherever possible by including as many diagrams, tables, chemical formula, equations, graphs, etc. This can make your answers more noticeable and more visible than writing it in the form of long paragraph. Remember these simple tips. It can immensely increase your score in board examination. Thank you.